Good morning. A civil judgment, very comprehensive and very interesting, but you have to concentrate more to understand the judgment because the judgment covers a vast area of Registration Act 17(1)(b) and 2 subclass 6, and also deals with various provisions of CPC, which distinguish the uh, degree being obtained by compromise and the degree being obtained by admitting of facts. So, a lot of uh, complications are there in the judgment, but you should understand if you want to be the 100% fit person to uh, get relief for your client and whenever requires to defend your client on this score of substantial question of law and points. You have to go through the entire of judgment, first, second, third, as much as possible to be at home with these principles. The case was AR 2020 Supreme Court 796, Mohammed Yusuf versus Raj Kumar and others. In the given case, actually prior to filing of the present suit, there was a suit between the relations, and that suit was 250A of 1984, which was filed by Habib Khan. That was decreed. Therefore, when subsequent suit was filed, 260A of 1998, this decree was filed as a document, and that was rejected by the lower court as well as high court because that decree was not registered. So the Supreme Court has now, after discussing various judgment in respect of subject, including the judgment relating to the area which after partitions is having an independent entitled as a country. First of all, you should understand section 17, which declares that documents of which registration is compulsory. So, certain documents must be registered under section 17. Another thing was that there were certain exemptions. Two categories are there. One is what we call registration is compulsory, other one was optional. When section 17(1) declares A, B, C, D, E for requiring compulsory registration, exempt says that section subclass 2 B and C says any degree of or order of the court except a degree or order expressed to be made on a compromise and comprising immovable property other than the which is subject matter of the suit or proceedings. This exemption has not been considered by the lower court. Therefore, Supreme Court has, after discussing the entirety of the facts and other provisions, held that this document need not be registered degree. Therefore, that was admissible and directed to accept it as exhibit. The appeal is allowed. Then in this given case, several judgments was time to time discussed. Finally, 2019 judgment, Ravinder Kaur Grewal and Manjit Kaur and others was discussed. In the given case, they say the question of registration of the document is pertaining to not only Registration Act and also Indian Stamp Act, which requires payment of court fee if any transfer of property was affected. So they say the instrument was not defined under Registration Act, but instrument was defined in Indian Stamp Act. That was also discussed. Then they say if the compromise was effected and the degree was given for existing rights, not by creating new rights. If there was a creation of new rights, then the Indian Stamp Act would come to play. So if any compromise decree was effected, that tantamounts they are depriving the payment of court fee. Under those various aspects, the case was discussed. Then they say that Order 12, Rule 6 is pertaining to obtaining a degree on the basis of admitted facts in the written statement. But Order 23, Rule 3 says it is on compromise. So kindly go through the judgment. Best wishes.